Hello guys, so this is the second part of the business of board games and puzzles business. So let's continue what we start. So here you can change the view, you can make it like a mobile view like this, or like a desktop view. That's it. Now let's move on to the next section. Before we move on to the next section, so let's edit here the site header. So you can change the site title from here. You can upload the logo image as a file, and also you can select it from your library. You can add the mobile logo image. Also you can upload the file or select from library. Now let's move on to the elements. So here you can turn this on, change the text on this label. You can edit the social links. Here you can add the social link or email. You can change the style icon. That's it. And now let's move on to the next section. So here you can change this section. Here you can add an item or add a link. So you can go to the link editor and search here on the link. You can design here the wave intensity. So just like this, you can change the wave width and the text size like this. That's it. Now let's move on to the next. Here you can change this image. So first you have to delete it, add another one, put it here and click here. So search for board games. For example, this. So anything to make your site or your section attractive. For example, this, you can edit this section, the background. So here you can select any one of these arts here, just a simple art. Here you can change the text here. That's it. So you can change the paragraph like this. Now let's move on. You have to delete all this image from here, add another one. First one, click here and search on some image from here. You can search anything you want here. You can type anything to search on board games and puzzles, anything to describe what you want from here. So for example, this for example. So just like this, and now you can wait. Now you can add the background, just a simple arch from here, so like this. Now let's continue. So here you have to make this nearby the image, like this. Now let's continue. So this section just the background, and if you want to add the social link here, you can change the link. That's it. Here you have to delete this image and add another one. So you can make it just like this, and now it is the section, it is the background. So that's it. Now let's continue. So this is the last section on the website, the footer section. So delete this image and add another one. So you can add whatever you like here, and now just add the background. That's it. Now after you're done from designing and customizing your website, all you have to do now is save this and go to the selling section. Wait a few seconds. Now go to the selling section here, and now you have to add the products to your inventory. After this, add the way to get paid and choose the subscription plan, and after this, the last step is publish your website and start selling, start your business. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. That's how to customize a website on Squarespace for board games and puzzles business. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.